Welcome to my channel. I am back with another hair collab, and today I am collabing with Curlyme collection. It is a hair company, y'all. They sent me this bomb wig. It came this color. I will show y'all how I got this look. Definitely was my color. Definitely loved it. So y'all, let's get right into this video.
that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to pretend.
So y'all, this is the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed as much as I enjoy making and collabing with Curlyme. Don't forget to go shop with them, y'all. My discount code will be in the description box, as well as their links to this wig, as well as their Instagram, their website, literally everything that you need to know about them, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend about my channel. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, and I will see y'all in my next video. Also, don't forget to go shop at Curlyme collection.